your mind go with him.
Why do you even care?
Because you're my friend.
She's not your friend. She's someone you use to feel better about yourself.
Go fuck yourself, psycho!
Hey, shut up, bitch!
Janie's a freak!
Well, then so am I! We'll always be freaks and we'll never be like other people! And you'll never be a freak because you're just too perfect!
Yeah, well, at least I'm not ugly.
Yes, you are. And you're boring. And you're totally ordinary. And you know it.
You two deserve each other.